Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I come back with my second lecture of spoken activity for class 5th. Today we learn some sentences that you often speak in your classroom. So be attentive, listen them carefully and note down in your binders. Our first sentence is, please give me your inkpot. मेहरबानी से मुझे अपनी स्याही की दवा दीजिए. Can you share your book with me? क्या आप अपनी किताब मेरे साथ बांट सकते हैं? Excuse me teacher, please check my diary. माफ़ कीजिए टीचर, मेरी डायरी चेक कीजिए. Excuse me teacher, she is absent today due to illness. माफ़ कीजिए टीचर, वो आज बीमारी की वजह से गैर हाजिर है. Wipe the blackboard. तख्ता स्याह साफ कीजिए. Don't throw rubbish on the floor. फर्श पर कचरा मत फेंकिए. Today there is very suffocation in classroom. आज क्लास में दम घुट रहा है. Excuse me teacher, I want to talk to you about this matter. माफ़ कीजिए टीचर, मैं आपसे इस मामले के बारे में बात करना चाहता हूँ. So kids, practice these sentences at home. So kids, you can also make a small card like this, in which you can write some other sentences that you need to speak with your fellows. So be happy and live a long life with your parents. Allah Hafiz.